fact that it comes from La Fábrica, it's also important, which is not many. Yeah.
It has options. He cuts it back for Jude. Dani Raba over the.
That he likes so much, and he likes defense.
It's the second, including Bellingham, who lays it off for Luka Modric, and there's the captain again. They had a 2-0 lead.
But allow
Brahim Diaz. Vázquez has been the recipient. Hit low with pace, flicked on by
in the lead when it happens.
Mbappe.
It's at the moment in top 4.
The Güler creating, and Gonzalez.
Because normally Real Madrid fans will be a bit more demanding on.
They're coming down with confidence. Garcia, Brahim Diaz. That was a mosh pit.
I think it's a game this 1-1, well, at least not allowed.
Unmarked in the box, and Bellingham was.
If he feels he can attack, he will attack.
In by Güler.
The expectations are so high.
Bellingham.